Namaskar. Today I am at Dr. Snehalali Divekar's clinic, and she is a dental surgeon and also a first sport dentist in India. And she is a member of Indian Dental Association and Indian Society for Dental Trauma. She has completed her aesthetic dentistry from New York University of Dentistry, and today we are going to discuss with her about how the face shield are going to benefit it to the dental surgeons and also to the medical fraternities.
In today's COVID-19 situation, I am sure you all are aware that the medical fraternity is at high risk of getting the infection themselves while treating the patients. Especially, dentists are at highest risk because of the proximity to the patient and aerosol contamination in treating almost every other patient. Because of this, it is very important that the dentists use personal protective equipment or PPE. In this, the face shield becomes very crucial because while treating the patient, the dentist's face is less than 1 feet away from the patient. That is why all the dentists should be using face shields, and not only the medical fraternity, other professionals like policemen, social workers, etc. should also be using these face shields. These face shields are 3D printed. In our dentistry, we have been using digital dentistry since last few years, in which we are using 3D printed crowns, dentures, etc. In the same way, it is now necessary to use these 3D printed face shields as they are durable, easy to use, and the transparent face shields are OHP papers which can be easily washable and replaceable. These 3D printed face shields have been made by Pelf Infotech and their team, and they are doing the noble cause of making them available to the various dental and medical fraternities everywhere. So I congratulate Mr. Ajinkya Poddar and who is CEO and MD, and Pelf Infotech and his team for taking immense efforts for this noble cause. Our beloved Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, and according to his guidelines, has asked all of you to be safe at home and take proper precautions. The medical and dental fraternity is always going to be at your service, and we are striving hard to provide maximum protection so that we don't spread the infection from our side. So please stay home, stay safe. Thank you. This is how you are going to use it. It is very convenient and easy to use. Thank you.
We at Pelf Infotech Private Limited have developed few medical emergency rescue parts to fight against COVID-19. And those parts are basically the face shield, mask clip and ventilator splitter. But before we manufacture those parts, we actually discussed with various doctors and medical fraternities, and based on that, by taking certain inputs from them, by considering the proximity of 0.5 meter to 1 meter with the patient, and based on that we have performed a CFD analysis for the face shield. And when we found that results were accurate, based on that we decided to go for the manufacturing, and we considered our Big Rep machine generation 2 for the same. The biggest advantage with our Big Rep machine was it has got a big build volume, that is 1000 by 500 by 500, and we use the nesting of parts on a print bed, and we use the stack up method to print the various parts. And by using such methods, we were able to produce almost 100 parts per day. We have started this activity almost about 20 days back, and today I am really happy to share that we have produced more than 1000 parts, and those parts are supplied not only to the doctors but police, social workers, nurses, and many other people for the security purpose from COVID. Now I'm going to demonstrate you that how you can utilize this face shield effectively. Thank you. In addition to the face shield, we have designed a ventilator splitter with a configuration of 2 and 4 to treat from 2 to 8 patients simultaneously on a single ventilator. When we design, we have considered the PEEP, that is positive and expiratory pressure, and also the tidal volume, breath rate, and based on those parameters we have performed a competitive fluid dynamic analysis. And when we found that results were absolutely accurate, there was no turbulence, and based on that we have started printing the splitters and tested on ventilator with multiple patient scenarios. We are not going to stop here, but we are also considering of using a control valve to regulate the flow on individual patient with a different respiratory conditions.